Guys, how you doing today? It's Cristian Castro here, and today I'm doing a remake on one of my commentaries. And guess who that is from? This video made by Cristian himself. Sorry for that little mess up there. But Cristian, if you're watching this, you can go frick off, because I honestly don't care anymore. But anyways, let's get to the commentary.
Bro, Presley, I seriously need you to shut the fuck up.
No, you shut up.
And yeah, I'm not Benny's little brother.
Yes, you are. You both have gloves. You have the same eyes.
I did dress me up as Benny for cartoon me for Benny as Halloween.
Ooh, nobody gives a crap.
Seriously, shut the fuck up.
No, you shut up.
Magnum XXL looking wearing ass.
Oh, Black Ranger looking ass. Look at the gloves.
Fucking sick of you.
No, I'm sick of you.
Oh my god, I'm not even ready to go to school, man. You're like in your 20s, bro.
I wear camo jackets. I wear a camo outfit. But for you, you're just completely almost naked. Because you claim your character wears a shirt, while he completely doesn't. He's almost naked. And the only thing you wear is just pants. Just pants. You could have picked other shirts. And also, I better not see you on the next Looney Tunes show. Because you look like a black-inspired Looney Tunes character. And speaking of Looney Tunes, you're about to look like something straight out of the Animaniacs with your old Yakko Warner looking ass.
Go to college or get a fucking job.
Bruh, just because I'm wearing a camo jacket.
Fucking sick of you. Get a job.
You get a job. Oh, not only that, you look like an Animaniacs character. You look like the Megaforce Black Ranger. Oh, Megaforce Black Ranger looking at. Megaforce Red face. Hold on. Megaforce Black looking ass.
That's all I gotta say. Get a job.
No, you get a job.
Goddamn Willow looking ass.
Oh, number one, can I get a number one? Ear-shaped ass. I bet if someone's talking, all you're just gonna hear is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bro, you look like Willow from Piggy, bro.
You look like an unused Mickey Mouse character that never got used in an episode.
Shut the fuck up. And says the one who's talking that comes from the worst school ever. And bro, these ears are not stolen from that gotcha slaw, whatever.
It's Hatsumiku. It is. Heh.
These ears are from I don't know the name, but okay. So firstly, you shut the fuck up.
No, you shut up, little cunt. That has to be the worst video ever by friggin' far. And plus, you forgot to mention that you look like the Wild Force Black Ranger. Wild Force Power Rangers, protect what's right forever. Looking ass. But anyways, I'm out of here, boys. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and be sure to sub. Thank you, and bye.